Here we have the year-to-date screen. All of your employees' trips for the entire year will display here, and as before, everything is very swift. As for the layout, we have the date of each trip, the from and to locations, the miles traveled, and the deduction amount. For each trip, a description may also be logged, along with any tolls and fees. As before, totals are displayed on the bar at the bottom of the screen. Here's the address book on the user side. This book has addresses that have been added both by the employee and from the global company book that I showed you earlier. Addresses may be added in the same fashion, either by importing a standard CSV file or by using our Add New Address wizard. Now I'll show you how to add a trip. There's two ways to do this, but first I'm going to show you how using our Add a Trip wizard. Here's a feature we've implemented to make logging just that much faster. 2 months are displayed instead of 1, so you can get right to the date that you're looking for without having to waste clicks looking for the correct month. Choose the date, and here you can choose your starting location from the address book. If it's not already in there, you can select Add Address down here. And now choose your destination. If you visited other points along the way, click Add Leg to keep going. Otherwise, click Save Trip. And there we are. An excellent new feature we've got here is the ability to quick edit a trip. For example, if I wanted to add a description to the trip I just created, I would simply select the trip and click on the description. And I can add it in there. If I wish to edit the destination address, I simply select on the existing one, Quality In, and change it to the correct one here. And there we are. To speed up logging, we've added quick round trip and repeat buttons. To make it a round trip, you just click the round trip button and say yes. And now it's calculated out the full trip for you. To make a trip repeat, you just click the repeat button, choose the date at which you repeated, and select Done. And there we are. You can also do the same with our trip builder. The functionality is exactly the same, but everything is in one location, which makes logging long trips with lots of legs very convenient. Now there's one last feature that I want you to see here, and that's printing out an IRS-ready log. If we go to this print icon right here and select it, the print report screen comes up. Now it's especially important to give the correct starting date here, unless if you're only looking for a log for the current month. You can give the report a title here, and enter in the address for the employee. Do note that if the employee's address was already entered on the admin side of things, it will be filled in here for you automatically. Now you need to choose if you're going to have this mileage report submitted to the company or not. I'm going to select No here, and then click Download Report. What you get will look like this. Thank you for watching the BizMile company tour. If you want to find out more, please visit us at www.bizmile.com.